been quiet for too long. Swallow words that make me strong. Space between what's real and fake gets wider with each breath I take. Can you hear the truth beneath the sound? Can you hear it now? Can you hear the truth beneath the sound? Oh, can you hear it now? Built these walls of stone by stone, convinced myself I'd make it alone. But every crack lets something through, a voice that speaks of something true. Can you hear the truth beneath the sound? Can you hear it now? Can you hear the truth beneath the sound? Oh, can you hear it now? Breaking through, breaking free, all these words inside of me. Time to let the silence fall till there's nothing left at all. Static fades, the noise dies down. I'm standing here on solid ground. These words I held, they found their way. No more pretending, here to stay. Can you hear the truth beneath the sound?